Hello and welcome to Learn Hmong the J Way. In this clip, I'm going to show you the new addition that I added to the previous study CVT. CVT stands for Consonants, Vowels, and Tones. So before I did not have this check option where it will read the combined word. So for example, if you click this consonant,
cho a
see, jaw ah, it didn't say this word. You have to click on it.
cha ai chai ao châu.
But if you want the program to automatically read this combined word to you, just check this. So now if you click the next vowel,
chê chân chi
same thing. If you pick a different consonant,
đi
notice that it say this word right away.
đa đai đi đông đu cu.
If you select a tone, that tone and that current vowel will be pronounced too. For example, like this.
Cú lú mú nú bú cú chú chá trái cháu